Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Skibidi Toilet and the Indominus Rex from Jurassic World as one character. So let's hop into the video right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Indominus Rex mixed with Skibidi Toilet. So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with the head of the Indominus Rex. I'm going to go back. All right. Down for the front of the snout over here. Down over here for underneath the snout. Well, it's kind of the opening of the mouth. And the mouth is kind of, it almost looks like it's keep opening, but it's actually, it's a side ridge where there's a little bit of skin right here in between there. It's going to be roaring, right? The Jurassic World Indominus Rex is like a really cool creation. Line over here. Downward out. Down underneath. Back over here. Back of the jaw right there. So far we got kind of like that front of the face kind of thing going on, right? Back down. Down over here. Line underneath. And line there. Down over here. Up over here. Down. Line. Right there underneath the eye, and right here for the under eye. I'm right there. Downward over here. 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 Down over here. Down, 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 right there. Line up, line up. Line up over here. Continue these lines up. And now I'm going to do over here, I'm going to draw a curved line down for the tongue. And then curve it back. Let's draw the nostril in. And it's going to be like these little ridges, right, along the neck right there. And you can even throw like another kind of spike at the top. Even right here at the top of the brow. And then maybe like a curved line over there. It's kind of a hollowed out area. Line over here, but that's pretty much good enough for now. We'll go into a little bit more, but let's go down over here, line across, kind of for the angled toilet. Line over here, back, so we have that toilet seat right there. Curve underneath, and then curve underneath the back. Down over here, down. Down over here, down, and line across. So you have the actual bowl right there, kind of aiming downward and, kind of aiming to the ground there. And then we're going to go right here, and then we're going to draw a line up, curve. That's going to be the seat, right? The kind of toilet lid that's up there. By the way, don't forget, if you know a name for this guy, let me know, okay? What will be the name of this character? But don't forget, there's a lot of free stuff, by the way, in the description. In the description, there's a lot of free stuff. There's a How to Draw Godzilla ebook somewhere. I think around the Gumroad. There is a, you can go check out the How to Draw Cute ebooks. There's all these free tools, and none of these tools are going to be free forever, by the way. These are things I put out there for you guys to get better, but they will not be free forever. So go pick them up when you can. Go download them, And, the free cute ebook or the Godzilla ebook, it's a really easy step-by-step guide in like a worksheet form that you can print out and do whatever it is that you want with them. So that's kind of the cool part about that. So let's go over here now, and let's go the back, down, in, down over here, curve underneath, up. Go over here on this side. We're gonna put the little what do you call the the dial that you actually push down on the toilet itself. We're gonna go over here, curve up, line over here, and down over here. See, wiggle right there. It's gonna be like the tubes and the stuff like that coming out the back. So we're just trying like an S curve. And that S curve is gonna be, you know, it should work out relatively well. And then over here now, line over there. Go over here now, another tube. It could be kind of an S curve that direction. And S curve right here. So it kind of looks like, again, there's like these series of contraptions here in the back. So let's go here and draw a line, 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 right there. Downward over here, up. Curve line over here to kind of give dimension to the bowl a little bit. Line right there. Line over here. And we're going to draw like a little bit of a thicker line around this entire character, okay? Actually, you know, one thing you could do that I think is fun is you could draw like droplets coming off. Like there's motion, right? Like he's coming out of the toilet there. That'd be pretty funny right there. To make it look like it's moving. Let's go over here and draw a thicker line around the outside border of all this. Line right here. Here, over here, line down, line over here, over here on this side, continue, continue, and there you go. Yeah, that bold line around the edge kind of makes it a little bit more animated, makes it a little bit more like a sticker. But I want to thank you very much for sticking around. You're amazing, okay? And I want to thank you. So what I want you to do is to share the video if you can, if you did enjoy it. Also, stick around. Like I said, there's gonna be another video right now, so I want you to stay right now. We're gonna go through another lesson. We're gonna jump into another lesson right now, and let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.